Nope, daddy longlegs do not bite humans. In fact, they can't even bite us. They lack fangs altogether. They have these tiny little pincers that they use to break up the food that they eat, and I'll show you those in a second, and they don't produce any venom. And while daddy longlegs, also called harvestmen, they're in the order Apiliones, are arachnids, they're not even spiders. Let's talk about harvestmen. So while harvestmen may look like spiders, they're actually much more closely related to scorpions. But don't let that worry you. Harvestmen are 100% harmless to humans. Most of them make their living by eating detritus, dead and decaying organic material. Here's one munching on a mushroom cap. And there are a handful of harvestmen that are active predators, but they can be highly beneficial to us, especially in our gardens where they eat things like aphids. Now, unlike their spider cousins that use fangs and venom to envenomate and paralyze their prey, harvestmen simply pounce on an aphid and then chop it up with their tiny little pincers, which you can see here. And they use these tiny little pincers very much like we use our teeth, simply to break food down into smaller and smaller particles that increase the efficiency of digestion. Now, I have heard a few people talk about being pinched by a daddy longlegs when they're messing with it, so it does happen, but I've never heard of anybody say it actually hurts. So the bottom line is, daddy longlegs, also called harvestmen, in their own order Apiliones within the arachnids, are 100% harmless to humans and even quite beneficial, cleaning up the detritus around the ecosystem and eating aphids out of your gardens.